Hey there, I'm Megan with WTI. If you work in a salon with nail drills for nail extensions, then you know the nail dust that can accumulate into the air, which is terrible for our lungs. So if you're considering a nail dust vacuum, try this one out by 4BLANC.
I was incredibly impressed with the suction power of this nail duster. I mean, just check out how much of that nail dust is being sucked right up into the canister. So this is going to protect your lungs and the lungs of your clients, and it's going to go straight into this filter. It comes with the product. It's a flexible filter that gets inserted into the main canister. There are 3 different levels of suction power to the machine. This is what it sounds like on low, then on medium, and then again at max power. There are also 4 different light settings on the machine that work independently from the suction vacuum, so you can see exactly what you're doing as you work on your client's nails. The arm is flexible enough to maneuver to your optimal position and long enough that it can be used in between 2 workstations.
This nail duster was a breeze to set up, and with its aesthetically pleasing clean lines, it's the perfect look for any salon, and that's my point of view.